Hi, hello. Today I have day 10 of 12 Days of Christmas. I hope you are enjoying the series so far. I certainly am. I am actually filming this on the day it's going to be uploaded, so please let me know down below in the comments if you are enjoying it. I will read all your comments and stuff. And also go check out my Instagram to see the actual pictures of the look, and I will answer your comments etc. there. Please make sure to thumbs up this video if you enjoy it, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will list the playlist up here for the 12 Days of Christmas, as I have already done 9 already so far. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I am going to be doing this eye on this eye. Hopefully I have improved a little bit on my winged eyeliner. I've done it thick and big. So I'm going to take some sellotape first. For the eye base, I'm going to be taking the Revolution Conceal and Correct in the shade White. I'm just going to carve my eyebrows out and cover the whole lid. Into the Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to take the dark green shade. I'm going to put that in my crease, go into a shape like this. Going into this lighter green, and I'm just going to pop that on top of that line. So I'm going to add a tiny bit of yellow on top of that green just to lighten it up a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Revolution white base we took, and I'm going to carve out the crease. So let's speed this bit up. So now I'm going to add a little bit of the white just to set that down. Okay, so that is done. Now I'm going on to the winged eyeliner. I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Precise Liquid Liner in the shade Black. And yeah, I'm going to speed this up again because it's going to take me a while. Okay, so I'm going to hopefully wait until that's dry. I'm going to peel this off. Okay, so now I'm going to go over the cut crease line with the, I'm going to use the OPV Metal and Liquid Glitter. This is in the shade Come Sunshine 03. which looks like this, just a silver glitter. Just gonna go over this line. So after that, I'm going to now do the baubles. I'm going to use the Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Morphe. It's just a red liquid lipstick, and I'm just going to use a little brush to draw these on. I did 5 on this eye, so I'm going to do 5 on this eye. Now I'm just going to draw the lines with a black liquid liner. Now I'm going to use the NYX white liquid liner and put the highlight on the baubles. So now I'm going to add the white dots. Okay, so now I'm going to go off camera, do the rest of my face, and I will do my eyelashes, eyebrows and stuff like that. I will come back and tell you what I used, and yeah, I'll be right back to do the lower lash line. Okay, so I'm back. I have my eyelashes on, my eyebrows on, my lips on, my face on, and I am ready to party. Okay, so the only thing I have to do now is the lower lash line. I'm going to take the red in the palette, which is this one by here, and I'm going to run this all along my lower lash line. Like so. Now I'm going to add a little bit of lower lash mascara. Okay, so this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I will list everything and link everything down below in the description box, especially the stuff I didn't use on my face. I will link everything down below. I also have my social medias down below, so go check them out, especially Instagram. I really hope you enjoyed this look. I hope you're enjoying 12 days of Christmas so far. It is day 10 today. I will link the playlist up here in the eye, so you can go check the playlist out if you've missed the first 9 days. And yeah, if you enjoyed it, please make sure to thumbs up this video, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.